Hello and welcome to my channel Nemo's Finds. I'm Nemo, and in today's video I gonna show you how you can create faceless videos using AI. And the tool that I gonna show you today, it's called Pictory AI. This is basically a video editing AI tool where we that you can use to create and edit videos. And I also gonna leave you the link in the description down below where you can test this tool. The free trial, as you can see here, is for 14 days. Sorry. So let's get started. The first feature that you can use is text to video. Here you can put a text and the AI will generate a video for you based on this text. So I'm gonna do this. Here you can see the surface. I have the text already, so I just simply gonna copy and paste it here. Let's do this. Okay, I copy the text here. I gonna and here up you can name your video. I gonna name it "Training Your Puppy to Walk on Leash." You can see here it has almost 2000 characters, and I just gonna click simple on proceed. And now the AI will generate a video based on this text. It's gonna take about a minute for AI to do this. Usually this works much faster, but my internet is very slow today, so I want to apologize for this. But now it's ready. As you can see here, this video gonna have 23 scenes, so I'm gonna show you how this looks like in a second. As you can see here, AI generated a video based on the text that I copied, and here you have 23 scenes, and you can change every scene. For example, when you go now here to visuals, if you don't like this video here, you can change for a different video. And I'm gonna do this. For example, I'm gonna choose this video here, and for example also I'm gonna change the scene number 5 as well. I'm gonna put this video here, and now you can click here on preview to see the results. So I'm gonna do this also in a second, but I wanted to show you first here. You have this option audio where you can choose the music, or you can also upload here your own music and to put it into the video. So for example, let's see this one. Uh, okay, I like this one. I'm gonna apply. Now I'm gonna preview to see, click on preview to see how the video looks like. Pretty cool. You can see here down is the text that I put it, and here you can see the watermark. By the way, once you download the video, the watermark will be removed. And there is also, you can use also, for example, voiceover. There are different AI generated voices that you can use.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and
This is, for example, the voice that you can
allow
hear
the
very
world to live as it
often on
chooses.
YouTube. A lot of people using this voiceover for their own videos. For
What
example,
worries you masters you.
okay, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna click on generate and
What worries
apply.
you masters you.
And now it's uploading this. And this voiceover gonna be You're gonna hear it in a minute in the video now. Just give it some time to apply it. So it's almost done. We are now on 98%. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, now I'm gonna click on preview again. Now it's generating a preview. This gonna take also about a minute. So, okay. Now it's going much faster. Once more again, sorry for this. This is because my internet is very slow today.
Training your puppy to walk on a leash is essential as it doesn't come naturally to most dogs. With a well-structured plan, you can make leash training a positive experience.
Now you could hear also voice in the video. It's reading the text that it's actually speaking the text that I put it here. And there is also here you can choose a different style if you want for your text. For example, I'm gonna apply this one. Now you can see it change the style. Or let's try with blue one. You can see it changed the text color and the style. Here you can use this option to add a heading. For example, I'm gonna put here simple dog training, for example. Sorry for this. Dog training. Okay. Now you can see it added also a text. You can place it on a different place if you want. Then there is also this option here, a branding, where you can create your own brand. If, for example, you want to put your own text format or a logo, if you do a video presentation for a company, then there is this option element where you can put different elements or stickers or GIFs or emojis. I'm gonna put, for example, this GIF here, just as an example. Now you can see here is a GIF. Then you can also here change the format if you want. I choose the normal landscape format for a YouTube video. Then you can change it also if you want to create TikTok videos or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. You can do it in this format as well. And basically, you can also choose square format for normal Instagram posts. And when and here you can also change the video resolution if you want. Then when you click here on my projects, you can see all the projects that I created. This is the project that we created right now. There is then more features that you can use. You can use, for example, this feature here, URL to video, where you can simply copy a URL. If you, for example, have a blog post and you want to create a video based on this blog post, you can use this feature. So let's try this out. I found this blog post here, top 10 dog training tips, and I'm gonna paste the URL here, and it's gonna generate video for me. Now it's loading, so I'm gonna simply skip this part and I'm gonna show you the results. Okay, here are the results. Now this video has 10 scenes. You can again change it here if you want. I'm gonna click on next. Now it's gonna generate a video in a second. Okay, it's almost done. Let's see how it looks like. It has 10 scenes, and once more it's created a video. You can click here on preview to see how it looks like. Let's open this. Okay, this is scene number one, scene number two. Like I said, like I showed you before, you can change these scenes. Let's see the more feature that it has. It has also this feature here, AI video editor. You can add captions and branding to your video recordings, remove filters, words and silences, and create a video summary and dozen of short clips. Like this is also very good feature. For example, you can use it to remove the pauses in your video, and if there is a silence, then there is this feature here, images to videos, where you can create slideshows video based on images that you uploaded. I don't gonna show you all the features. Like I said, I'm gonna leave you also the link in the description down below, so you can test the tool for free. And the free trial is 40 days, and I also gonna show you the pricing if you want to upgrade this to a paid version. There is three different packages: starter, professional, and teams. Starter package costs $25 per month. You get 200 video minutes, which is pretty solid. And here you can see it includes multilingual standard AI voices, unlimited access to 2 million royalty-free videos from story blocks, and basic AI features. Then there is here a professional package for $49 a month, where you get 600 video minutes monthly, plus 120 minutes of multilingual hyper-realistic AI voices from 11 labs, unlimited access to 10 million reality-free premium videos, and there is also this advanced AI feature here: automatic synchronization of uploaded voiceovers and video summarization of long videos. And then there is a Teams package which costs $119 per month. You get like 1,800 video minutes monthly, plus 240 AI voices from 11 labs. You can use sharing and collaboration and API access. And if you want to pay this for whole year in advance, you can save up to 24%. Then the price, as you can see, changes. Then you will pay like $19 per month for a starter, which is like $190 for a year. $39 for professional package, and $99 for Teams package. So this was it, guys. I hope you like the content. If you like my today's review video, please hit the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm gonna try to do every day a review video about AI softwares and tools. Thank you one more time for watching, and see you in my next video.